let's see how to use GPT-4o model to reply to your Instagram comments using the business information or business context about your specific business. So here, let's see how to build this one. So here I'm in a demo account with this channel connected, and here for the Instagram we have this test static media connected right here. So now let's see how to build a comment automation system to handle the Instagram comments using the power of GPT-4o model. So here, if we go to the tools over here, let me click on tools right here and open it in a new window. So here in tools, you can find Instagram comment automation tool over here. So it says get more customers and increase sales while saving your time by automatically replying to Instagram comments. So this particular feature, Instagram comments, will be available only when you connect your Instagram channel. And if you connect your Facebook page over here, that is called as the messenger channel, and then you can find this Facebook comment automation tool as well. So it's very similar compared to the Instagram comment automation. So now let's see how to build Instagram comment automations or comment replies powered by GPT-4o model. So before actually creating a new tool or new automation for the Instagram comments, we have to actually build a flow. So let me go to flows over here, click on flows section, and here let me create a new flow and name this one as AI IG comments powered by GPT-4o model. GPT-4o model, and click continue. Alright, so here we are in this particular flow. So let's see how to handle the IG comments using GPT-4o model. So here, let's start with the action over here. So the action should be, let's use OpenAI because we are going to use GPT-4o models, and choose the model GPT-4o here. Alright, and here the user message you have to use, instead of last input, you have to simply use last comment. So here if you type curly bracket and if you type last, and here you can find last FB comment. So this particular variable last FB comment simply automatically can capture the last comment on the Instagram too. So you can simply use this same variable for the Instagram comments too. So that's a simple note for you. And where do you want to save the response to the custom field? So here let's add a new custom field over here and name this one as a comment GPT-4o model, and continue. So we are actually saving the response in this particular variable, and click continue. Alright, so here we can set the starting step to this one and delete this one, and when this is success, we can simply add a comment reply to the customer. So here if you type the curly bracket AI, and if you type like comment, and here you can select AI comment GPT-4o model. So here this is what happens. So it will use whatever the business information you are providing right here, and simply answer the customer's last comment. So here I want to add some sort of business information over here so that we can actually test how this can actually work. So for that I'm going to use our existing business information from the prompt template. So let me go to the settings. So here in the settings, I want to grab the existing business information. So in the prompt templates, we have created some prompts in the past. So let's use one. So here, let's pick the one related to CBB Plumbing Corporation over here. So here, this is the prompt related to that particular CBB Plumbing Corporation. So let me copy this one. And here, let me click on this action and paste it. So here you are a helpful assistant to, let's add this one, assistant to this particular corporation, and let's add this question in just 1 to 2 sentences. Let's add this one as well, and let me fix the spelling. Alright, so here we have added this business information over here, and click continue. Publish. So now we have created this particular flow, AI IG comments GPT-4o model. So this particular flow will be used as a comment reply automation. So here, if we go to the tools and if we click on Instagram comments, let's create a new one. IG GPT-4o model. Click enter, and here you can track comments on all posts, private reply to the comment. So what sort of DM you want to send to the customers who actually comment on your post. So if you don't want to send any sort of DMs, then you can simply keep as none. And what sort of public reply you want to send. So here the public reply is also called as the Instagram comment reply. So here we want to choose GPT-4o model to respond to the public comment replies over here. So here let's choose the flow we just created, AI IG comments GPT-4o model, and here reply to all comments. That's fine. And here you have more options as well, and here you can even delay the comment reply as well. So for example, you can delay like a few seconds, minutes as well. So here let's do like immediately. Otherwise you can also choose randomly within 10 minutes, something like that, if you're actually receiving tons of comments. So here let's just do immediately, and here let's click save. Right, it has now saved. Now we can actually activate this one and test how this actually works in the test Chatik Media Instagram channel, as you see here. So here I'm going to add some sort of comments and see what happens over here. So I'm going to add a comment over here. So this particular company only offers services only in the New York City 5 boroughs. So they do not actually offer any sort of services on other parts of the state or other parts of the country. So let me add a comment. Do you serve in Texas? So I'm going to add this comment, do you serve in Texas, and how the AI actually respond to us, and also over here. So let's see what happens. So I have just added the comment, and I also received the comment reply as well. So let's see what sort of reply I received. Hello, CBB Public Corporation specializes in providing services in all 5 boroughs of the New York City. So let me open another post over here and add a comment. So this time I'm going to ask, what is the address? So as you can see here, the address is 2341 McDonald's Avenue, Brooklyn, New York over here. So let's see what sort of replies we are actually receiving over here. Let's open, so this one. So here we have received the response as well. So let's see what happens. Our address is this one, simple as that. So likewise, it simply can answer any sort of questions from the business information we have provided right here. Suppose if you want to send this particular response as a DM, you can also easily do that. So here in the auto comments, if I click on this one, so here we are tracking comments on all posts, and private reply to the comment is none. Suppose if you want to send the public comment reply, so for example, this is a public comment reply. So when I ask what is the address, it says our address is this one. Sometimes the people will comment on your reels or post, and they might actually forget they have actually commented, and even if you reply to that particular comment, they might not check it. But if you send that particular reply in their DM, then there is a high chance of they actually check that particular message. So in this case, if you enable the private reply to comment over here, and if you select the same flow, AI IG comments GPT-4o model, this particular whatever the comments we are adding over here will be sent as a DM for them as well. So let me enable this option over here, and let me save this one over here. Alright, I have just saved it. Alright, I have just saved it. So now if I open another post, so here let's open this post, and in this case if I ask what is the address, so we will also receive a public comment reply, and also it will automatically send us a DM as well. So it will take a few seconds for it to process, and here let's see what happens. So here this is the post I just saw. So here we have received the response, and it says our address is this one. So if I open the DMs, we should see the message from Chatik Media saying our address is this one. As you see here, our address is this one. It's a quick video on how you can actually use GPT-4o model to reply to the Instagram comments using your business information. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments. Thank you.